Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Korean. Today we'll try to talk about the software update size, features and how much time it takes to install the latest update in this OnePlus 9R device. So these are the three major things which I'll be covering in this entire video, and the model which I'm trying to use is a OnePlus 9R device, as you can see friends, and I do have the stopwatch ready. So let's see how much time it actually takes to complete install the update and process the update as well. So let's see what is the size first, and if you go to the system updates, you can see the first thing is about the size. The size of the update is about 384 MB. So the first thing we got to know about the size, so it's very small size. So the second thing we will be getting to know what are the features and box got fixed. So then third thing we'll be seeing how much time it will take to download and install. So first let's discuss about the what are the features. So in terms of the features and the what are the issues got fixed regarding the system. So fixed the abnormal silent issue which is present over there after the muting the media volumes, and fixed the UI issues in the freeform windows, fixed the general issues in and improved system stability, updated the Android security patch, and the notes fixed the issue that newly saved notes cannot sync, and OnePlus games. So I'll try to test this, improve the overall user experience regarding the OnePlus games particularly, and gallery improved picture preview smoothness. And next is the final thing about the camera. So camera is the main thing where a lot of users they did comment under the videos saying that the camera got improved a lot after the update. So that is what I'm going to test nowadays friends. After updating, I'll try to test mainly the camera. I'll try to focus and I'll try to compare with the IQ7 and the Mi11X as well, and improve the camera stability and shooting performance, fixed the abnormal image issue under the nightscape mode, as you can clearly see friends. So these are the few things which got fixed, and these are the new things which got added, and the update size. So now let's see how much time it will take to completely download and install. So right now I did start the stopwatch exactly when the installing is going on. So right now it's about 16%, as you can see friends clearly. So I did not try to start when I'm trying to download, because downloading will vary from one user to other user depending on the network speed. So but the installing process will be kind of same for every OnePlus 9R user. So right now it's at 16%, you can see here friends, and the time is about 1 minute and 20 seconds it took till now. So my main focus will be on this particular camera area where camera stability got improved or not, where nightscape got improved or not. So this will be my main focus for the next couple of days. So I'll definitely do my best to compare with other smartphones if necessary. In case if you want me to do, I'll definitely try my best to compare with other smartphones as well. So again, I'll be back once the installing process comes to close to 99% or 98%. So then we can discuss the timing. So right now it's still exactly at 16% only for a long time. So let's see friends how much time it takes more. So right now, as you can see friends, it's getting close to 100%. Right now it's 99%, and the time here is about 5 minutes. It took 5 minutes and 40 seconds, as you can see friends, 99% still. So let's see how much more time it actually takes to install completely. So it's getting close to 6 minutes of time, total time taken for this OnePlus 9R for this update to get installed. So still it's staying at 99% only. So let's see friends how much more time this actually takes, and usually this kind of small size updates will not take more than 10 minutes of time. So that is what I got the reboot option, and I clicked reboot. So exactly after 6 minutes I got the reboot option. So then I clicked the restart. So now it's restarting. So before all the updates used to happen installing after the phone got switched off, but nowadays the initializing is taking place when the phone is in on mode only. So now the phone will be just restarting, that's it. So let's see friends how much more time again this restarting process will take in this phone at this point. That is what I am trying to test. And make sure to comment below in case if you like this kind of a unique kind of testing. So definitely I'll do my best to post this kind of unique testings in my channel. So if in case if you're interested. Now the time is about 7 minutes of time. So still loading, still booting up. So still I did not get the logo. So let's see friends how much more time this will take. So finally I got the logo, and so it took about I think close to 7 minutes and 20 seconds overall. That is what the time taken in this phone completely to install. So I'll try to definitely test the camera performance friends next. That will be my main focus on this OnePlus 9R in testing the nightscape mode and all those options which got fixed. So make sure to comment below friends what are your thoughts, and definitely I'll do my best to post a video as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.